Question number 19. Find whole integration of 2 cos x upon 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin square x dx. Solution. Let I is equal to whole integration 2 cos x upon 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin square x dx. Here, let sin x is equal to t and cos dx is equal to dt. Putting the values of sin x and cos dx into the above equation, we'll get I is equal to whole integration 2 upon 1 minus t into 1 plus t square dt. Now solving this equation using partial fraction, we'll get the equation 2 upon 1 minus t 1 plus t square is equal to a upon 1 minus t plus bt plus c upon t square plus 1. Solving it further, we'll get a minus b is equal to 0, b minus c is equal to 0, and a plus c is equal to 0. Then putting the value of a, b and c into the equations, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1, we'll get I is equal to whole integration of 1 upon 1 minus t plus 2t upon 2t square plus 1 plus 1 upon t square plus 1 whole dt. Now solving it further, we'll get equation I is equal to 1 upon 2 log t square plus 1 upon 1 minus t whole square plus tan inverse t plus c. Now putting back the values we let before, we'll get the value of I as 1 upon 2 log sin square x plus 1 upon 1 minus sin x whole square plus tan inverse sin x plus c.